What I'd like to show you next is how gums form with fuels. What I'm going to show you is true for any type of hydrocarbon fuel. It can be diesel, can be biodiesel, gasoline, ethanol blended gasolines. All of these products, when they react with water, will form gums. And the easiest way to show that is to take some regular fuel and some regular tap water. This is our ultra-low sulfur diesel fuel. And to this, we're going to put a small amount of water. In each of the test tubes. Water is by nature heavier than diesel fuel or gasoline, and it will readily sink to the bottom. And it's very visible to be able to see that. The liquid water will go to the bottom. You can also have dissolved water that will be in the fuel. So you can have those two types. At the interface of where the water and fuel touch is where bacteria and fungi will readily grow in fuel. What we're going to do now is we're just going to agitate this for a few seconds. You can readily see that we form gum deposits rather quickly with agitation. The longer that you run the engine for, the more of this material you're going to make. This gum material, when heat from the engine is applied to it, you rapidly build up a varnish. It converts to a varnish, and then when this reaches the combustion chamber, this is the primary cause for the formation of carbon deposits. And we just want to show you here how these different competitive products react. This is competitive product number one. This is the medium weight naphtha product. Second one is the lighter weight naphtha product. The third one is our product. Put our tops back on here. There is, in the one with our product in it, there is actually a chemical reaction taking place right now. And you can see it to some extent. It looks wavy or an orange peel look to it. And that is in a chemical reaction taking place called hydrogen polar bonding. We are actually bonding the water molecule of the water into the hydrocarbon chain of the diesel fuel. This is a permanent chemical change. We'll very quickly show you with some agitation how that process is completed. We have totally dispersed that water into the fuel. The hydrogen polar bonding has taken place, and that water is chemically no longer water. It is now part of the diesel fuel, and that's a permanent change. You can also see that we've done an excellent job of cleaning up the sides of the glass as compared to the other type products, which can even make the deposits worse than they were before. So we've cleaned up the gum deposit. We will prevent new deposits from forming. This product will also clean up existing varnishes and carbon deposits and prevent their reformation. This gives you a better fuel economy, better emissions, more horsepower, cleaner running engine with less maintenance problems.